Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question x power 1 over 10 plus x power 1 over 15 plus x power 1 over 30, which equals to 84. Solution. And always have to copy what we have. We have x power 1 over 10 plus x power 1 over 15 plus x power 1 over 30, which equals to 84. And if you are seeing nicely here, we have x power 1 over 10 plus x power 1 over 15 plus x power 1 over 30, and highest denominator above this power right here is 30. And we are going to refer to this denominator we have right here to mean that if you have x power 1 over 10, also can be written as x power 3 over 30. Okay, then plus x power here, it can be 2 over 30, then plus x power 1 over 30, of course, which equals to 84. At this stage we have denominator which are equal. Okay, and of course this one is equal to x power 3 times 1 over 30, then plus x power 2 times 1 over 30, then plus x power here 1 over 30. Okay, and which equals to 84. And at this stage we can interchange this and write this one as a x power 1 over 30, then power 3, okay, plus x power 1 over 30, then squared, plus x power 1 over 30 power 1 equals to 84. Of course, here at this stage we can let x power 1 over 30 to be equals to t, and this will be t power 3 plus t squared plus t equals to 84. At this stage we can take this t power 3 plus t squared plus t, then minus 84 equals to 0. And here t power 3 plus t squared plus t minus, we are going to find numbers, we can add them to get 84. And the number we have to find, we have to refer to this equation that we have right here. Okay, and we shall say 64 plus 16 plus 4 will be 0. 64 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to 84. And now each number you're going to add to this equation we have right here to get t power 3 plus t squared plus t minus 64 minus 16 minus 4 equals 0. Then t power 3 minus 64 plus t squared minus 16 plus t minus 4 equals 0. At this stage we shall say t power 3 minus, this is 64 can be written as 4 power 3, okay, then plus t squared minus 4 squared plus t minus 4 equals to 0. Then this one only we shall say this is equal to t minus 4 then times t squared, then plus 4t plus 16, okay, plus t minus 4 times t plus 4, okay, for this one because it is difference of two squares, then plus t minus 4 equals to what? Equals to 0. At this stage, we have t minus 4, and t minus 4. We can factorize t minus 4 to get t minus 4, open bracket of t minus 4, then open bracket of t squared plus 4t plus 16, then plus t plus 4 plus here 1 equals to 0. Then t minus 4, t squared, we have 4t, and t will be plus 5t. We have this one, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1 plus 21, okay, equals to 0. At this stage, each equation we shall equalize it to 0 to get t minus 4 equals 0, or t squared plus 5t plus 21 equals to 0. t1 equals to 4. And you have to find other rate at this stage, okay? And you have to say t here. You have to find, because these are quadratic equation, you have to find a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c equals to negative a plus 21. And it says that t2 or 3 equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Before continuing, we have to find this discriminant we have right here, and discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac, where b is equal to 15, 5 squared is equal to 25 minus 4 times 21, and this is equal to 25 minus 84, so that you shall get discriminant which is equal to negative. So there is no real solution for these roots. And we can continue to this one. We have t which is equal to 4, and we know that t is equal to x power 1 over 10, okay, 1 over 30, 1 over 30, and we can say 4 equals to x power 1 over 30, and above this x we have to remove this 1 over 30 by multiplying by power 30 again on both sides. So we shall say 4 power 30 equals to x power 30 over 30, and 4 power 30 equals to x. And always have to check if our answer is correct, because we have given x power 1 over 10 plus x power 1 over 15 plus x power 1 over 30 equals to 84. And you know that here x is equal to 4 power 30 power 1 over 10 plus 4 power 30 power 1 over 15 again plus 4 power 30, okay, then power 1 over 15 equals to 84. This is equal to 4 power 30 over 10 plus 4 power 30 over 15 plus 4 power. Here we have the 30 over 30, which equals to 84. This is equal to 4 power 3 plus 4 squared plus 4 equals to 84. And 4 power 3 is equal to 16 plus, this is equal to 64, plus 16 plus 4 equals to 84. And of course this is equal to 84 plus 84. Then left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that our value of x is equal to 4 power 30. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.